You know, I gotta give this to Rahul. I like the tie back to the Rogan conversation. Very creative. May myself meet Rogan. I get it. I love what you did there. So this round's winner is Rahul. I love that one. May myself meet Rogan. Good one, Rahul. All right, next one. Here we go. AI. Wrong answers only. AI. Rahul says, I predicted it last time only. Yeah, Rahul. Avocado ice cream? I think that's 3 words though, Rohan. I think ice cream is 2 words. Avocado invasion? Okay, that's cool. Alien invasion? Okay. Awful impression. Nice. AI is the current word, guys. Wrong answers only. Rahul says all in. Okay. Anybody else for AI? This one should be easy. There should be like 1 million responses in the chat, right? The 2-letter ones are relatively easy. Anybody else for AI? Appetite intensifier. Okay, that's creative. I definitely don't need one of those. I have plenty of appetite. Patrick says artichoke investigator. You know what's crazy is I bet that there is a job like that out there somewhere, right? Somebody's got to inspect artichokes, right? And that probably exists. All right. So that looks like it's going to be all for AI. Amazing inflation by Deadlord. That's a strong entry. Amazing. Yeah, we are definitely in a period of amazing inflation, aren't we, guys? Prices are crazy right now. But you know what? I think I gotta give it to Avocado Invasion. I like that one. Good name for a band too, right? Like the next time one of you guys starts a band, you should call it Avocado Invasion, right? That's a good name for it. But I like Avocado Invasion. So so Hamad is our winner for this round.